The police are getting wider powers to demand DNA samples, but the government's proposed law change has civil libertarians warning Big Brother's going too far. Sia Aston with the story.
The government plans a law change that'll mean if police can charge you with the kind of offence you could go to prison for, like drink driving, they can also take your DNA, whether you like it or not.
My view is if you don't commit crimes, you've got absolutely nothing to be concerned about.
But lawyer and civil libertarian Michael Bott says we should be concerned about a surveillance society.
It casts the net too widely, that the police can keep DNA on a national database of anyone convicted of an imprisonable offence or not acquitted is outrageous, and it's all thought out.
Currently, compulsory DNA can only be taken with a judge's order following a conviction. Under the new bill, as soon as someone's charged with an imprisonable offence, their DNA can be taken without a court order. If found not guilty or if the charges are dropped, the DNA gets destroyed. But in the meantime, it can be checked against evidence taken from crime scenes.
Anyone who's on the database who may be innocently at a crime scene before anything occurs can be caught in the net and potentially as a suspect.
This is a tool that can do just as much for those who are innocent as those who are found guilty of a crime.
But Green MP Keith Locke says the innocent will be under suspicion.
You could have a situation where it's open slather for the police to collect DNA from people they don't really have much evidence on.
Labor supports the idea in principle, but is suspicious of the legislation being rushed through under urgency.
Cutting corners in parliamentary process makes for bad law and ill-informed debate.
The DNA of 90,000 convicted criminals is already held on a database here. Civil libertarians are concerned New Zealand's edging towards a UK model, where the DNA of everyone arrested, innocent or guilty, is held on a giant database currently tracking the DNA of 4 million people. Sia Aston, 3 News.